Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be how I achieved this look using the newest Fenty products, so keep watching. So recently, as you guys know, Rihanna came out and Fenty came out with new products, and I was like super excited to go try it. So I was like, you know what, let me do a video on the review and how I love them. So yeah, I'm super excited to get into it. So the first thing that of course I bought, this one didn't come out just recently, it came out probably like a couple weeks before. This was the new lip gloss, which is Fussy, and surprisingly I actually like this one way better than the first one that came out, because I do like that it has somewhat of pink tones to it and it has sparkles, and I feel like it just looks so nice on the lip. So this is probably my favorite out of all three of them. But yeah, so this is Fussy. The next one is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I got the color Banana because this is the one that matched the best with my skin tone. And honestly, I love this setting powder, and I don't even know what else to say about it. Like literally, it's lightweight, it blends so nicely with my skin, it does not like feel heavy, like caked up, and honestly a little goes a long way of this stuff. Like that's how good it is. But yeah, so I love this. Definitely try this one out. Lastly, it is the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer, and I actually got two because I watched Alyssa Ashley's video and she actually got one that matched her skin tone and one that was a bit brighter, so in case she like wanted to have some brightness under her eyes. So I did the same thing too, couldn't resist, and of course she knows what she's talking about, so I'm gonna do it too. But I got the two concealers. They come in the cutest packaging. Like the entire line just has cute packaging, like one product after the next. But yes, got these two. This color is 340 and this one is 330. So the 330 one of course is the brighter one. I've actually used both and no complaints. The one in this video though, I did use the 340, which matches my skin a little bit more rather than the brighter one. Not because of any specific preference, that's just the first thing I grabbed. But honestly, this concealer is bomb. It is full coverage, it blends so nicely. I have no complaints about this. Very minimal creasing, and I honestly, a little goes a long way too. So definitely try this product out, because I think honestly I am in love with this concealer. Literally, it conceals the life out of you. That's how good it is. And lately I've been lacking sleep and under my eyes have been looking really crazy, and these two bad boys right here, they're gonna save lives. I will put all the info for these products that I tried and also the products that I'll be using throughout the entire video. And definitely give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe because I have more videos coming. And other than that, enjoy guys. See ya.